That black helicopter's just buzzing around the buildings doing a tour or something. Or it's a military guy. But I don't think so. I think it might be, it's either a tour and they've changed the color of the helicopter, or it's a military helicopter. And this is the second time that it's gone down here to the airport on the island and landed. And then it's taken off, dropped somebody off somewhere downtown, and then flown right over top of the building. And then flew right past the CN Tower just to fly all the way back past it again to go back down to the airport. So you see in between the buildings there? Now he's gonna come right between here. Right now. There he is. You can see the light. See, I don't think it's a tour helicopter. I think it's a different color.